It's a style of cooking, it's a tasty treat. It's a southern man's religion, entirely based on meat. It's a taste of home, a taste of love, and a thrill of Mountain Dew. It's a touch of heaven with a dash of hell, and we call it barbecue. My friend Rupert once wrote a book about the best darn barbecue. He searched the nation for all the best, came up with quite a few. Yeah, there were sweet ones, tart ones, peppery hot, and some that taste like stew. But the absolutely positive best was homemade barbecue. 'Cause it's a taste of home, a taste of love, and a thrill of Mountain Dew. It's a touch of heaven with a dash of hell. We call it barbecue. South Carolina's got its mustard sauce, and Texas 3-alarm chili. Louisiana's got its jambalaya, and Tennessee has its whiskey. But I'd rather meet you in Little Rock and eat like a true hillbilly. We'll grease our chins with the best of sins. Barbecue just makes me frisky. Cheesesteaks, hot dogs, hot wings, tacos, pizza, and burgers are cool. But it's barbecue on ribs that says break out the bibs. 'Cause that's the only food that makes me drool. We'll throw down a quart of sweet tea and do some gospel singing. Then we'll wander on over to the dinner table, see what folks are bringing. Well, they'll have chicken, grits, and cornbread, even okra and greens. But if there's no barbecue on the table, you'll just see the back of my jeans. I'll be at HB's Hickory Shack, and I'll grab an ice cold brew to satisfy my craving for some down-home barbecue. Just let me sit by that open pit, get drunk on that aroma. Then I'll try the other types of barbecue, from Maine to Oklahoma. Bubba, Sissy, Earl, and Paula Sue, Uncle Luther, and Aunt Lizzie, Ellie, and you're all my kin, and I won't soon forget it. Yes, you're my family, and you deserve to know I love you true. But please, don't ever come between me and barbecue. 'Cause it's a taste of home, a taste of love, and a thrill of Mountain Dew. It's a touch of heaven with a dash of hell, and we call it barbecue. Now let's talk about homemade ice cream.